Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to fix your My Business verification video not uploading. So these are the best ways to fix it and get your business verified successfully. So firstly, let us talk about the requirements for the video file itself. Make sure that your video meets Google requirements. The file should be under 100 megabytes in MP4 or MOV format and no longer than 5 minutes. If it's larger, compress it using free tools like Clido, Capwing, or your phone's built-in video compressor before uploading. If the upload keeps freezing, try switching browsers. Google Chrome works best, but make sure it's updated. If you're on mobile, use the Google Maps app and then go to your business and then verify and upload your video there. Sometimes the desktop upload fails due to cache or browser extensions. Now, if the desktop version fails repeatedly, you can open Google Maps on your phone, then tap on your profile, then your business profiles, and then select your business. And after that, press on Verify Now and upload your video directly from your phone's gallery. Mobile uploads tend to work more reliably, especially on Android. And also, guys, as a last resort, you can go to the support and in here, contact us. Then you choose the business you wish to basically proceed with verification, and in here just explain what you need help with. So in our case, it's verification video not uploading, and then they will reach back to you and give you their help. And that's how you fix video verification upload issues for your business. Check your video format, use the right browser, or upload from your phone. One of these will usually solve it. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes and Google Business tutorials.